How to upload stickers on Discord Mobile. So first is to launch any browsing application that you have. Search for the sticker that you want to use. Go to Images. Scroll down and select the image that you want to use. Tap and hold the image and select Save Image. Now once that image is downloaded, open a new tab and search for Background Remover. Select the first option that will appear and then tap on Upload Image. Select My Files. Tap the image icon found on top and then select the image that you have downloaded. Once the background has been removed, tap Download found on the lower left corner and then tap Download. Once this image has been downloaded, open Discord. Tap the plus icon found on the lower left corner. Go to Photos. Select the latest photo and then hit Send. And so that is how you upload stickers on Discord Mobile. Thank you and have a great day.